The Colne Valley Regional Park is 43 square miles
and has over 200 kilometres of rivers and canals.
With over 60 lakes. When we turn a tap on, there is always water. But where does it come from?
In this area, it comes from aquifers.
These are natural underground reserves. The water percolates down into them through the chalk bedrock.
The aquifer naturally refills the rivers throughout the year and provides water for our homes.
It is not only our tap storage is useful, farmers and wildlife rely on it.
Our water is precious. It is under threat from pollution and overconsumption.
In the southeast of England, on average, we use over 150 litres of water per person per day, which is higher than the rest of the UK. We also get half of the rainfall than the rest of the UK.
The health of our river depends on there being enough water to support life in the river. Can you help look after our rivers?
I promise to turn off the tap when I'm brushing my teeth.
I promise to have shorter showers.
I promise to use a bowl to wash the pots. I promise to have smaller baths.
Turn off your tap, conserve water and save our rivers.